Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your activity feed on your profile when you're playing on your Xbox Series X. So if you want to go ahead and just hide all your recent activity so people cannot see this, it's very easy to do. Let's go back to the home screen here, then go up to settings, select A on this, then go to general, go to the right and go to online safety and family, go to privacy and online safety. Then we want to go to Xbox Privacy. Then select A on Custom. Go to View Details and Customize. Then scroll on down using the D-pad to Communication and Multiplayer. Then we have options on here like you can join multiplayer games. Make sure this is set to allow, otherwise you won't be able to join multiplayer games. You can turn off crossplay right here. And then you have others can communicate with you voice, text, or invites. If you don't want to receive random invites or text messages from people, you can go to Friends. And then we have this option right here. Others can see your activity feed. Decide who can see what you post to your activity feed. Now, by default, it's selected to everybody, but you can set it to friends. So random people you're playing against won't be able to select your profile and see what you've been doing. Now, you might actually want to completely block this so even your friends cannot see what you've been doing, or maybe your mom or your dad. So you can come to this section and you can completely block it. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.